So this is the Independence Day in Hanoi. The streets are busy, very hot outside, but it's a good time to get out of the city, and my plan is to get out to Nam Dinh, visit the city or pass through it, and then go to a church that is supposed to be on the beach, actually remains of a church, and from there I'll go visit my wife in her village. Too hot, 11 o'clock. I got out a little bit too late, but it's still not too late to, I hope it's not too late to make the way. The way is supposed to be 130 kilometers southeast of Hanoi. Not so many places around this area that I haven't been to, so that's an opportunity to go and visit a place I haven't been to, even though it's not supposed to be something too amazing. But the city is way too busy, so it's a chance to get out of the city. Although my destination is the collapsed church on the beach, while driving through Nam Dinh province, I pass along the way countless churches and cathedrals everywhere. The reason is that Nam Dinh province is the heartland of the Catholic faith in Vietnam. Some of the most impressive cathedrals in Vietnam are located in Nam Dinh, and yet when I finally make a stop, it's not at a cathedral. I guess they didn't understand me when I asked to go where's the pharmacy, and they sent me to this pagoda just off the road. Seems quite interesting, so let's take a look. Seems quite old. I guess here we have to take off the shoes. What about, let's see here. So according to what it says here, this tower was built 1927, 32 meters high. Interesting turtle head. Nice. Xin chào. I had no idea, but Kole Pagoda is an ancient pagoda dating back to the 12th century, and it was ranked as National Historical Monument by the Ministry of Culture seems like just another regular pagoda, nothing too interesting. Yeah, I have no idea why they present this car here. This car was actually a gift from the International Buddhist Association, according to the sign. Hello, how are you? Yeah. Ciao. Yeah. So it's a nice building, but nothing too out of the ordinary. I will have to check on its history, but for now, Kole Pagoda, also known as Tan Quang Pagoda, was built in the 12th century during the Li Chantom dynasty to worship Buddha. The first temple was built of wood in an ancient architectural style. However, the temple was later demolished. In 1902, the temple was rebuilt in a Gothic architectural style, similar to the architecture of Catholic churches. The pagoda has been restored and embellished many times, but still retains the same architectural features as before. Therefore, this is a Buddhist temple, but also has the appearance of a Catholic cathedral. Finally, there is the beach, there is the ocean. Now I just have to reach the church. There it is. Wow. Okay, so there are a lot of people here. Very busy. So this is the church. There used to be a village here. This church was not built on the beach. There used to be a village here before. The church was 2 kilometers away from the beach, but according to what I read, 1996, the whole village disappeared under the waves. And this church remained, but not completely intact. That's what remained of it. So the long story goes like this. In the past, the coast of Swangien in Haili commune had many large and small churches. However, over time seawater encroached on the coast and damaged these churches, and they were relocated farther inland. This church, once known as Chai Tim Church, literally the Church of the Heart in Vietnamese, was relocated 3 times before it was deserted. First built in 1877. In 1917 it was redesigned by a French architect and rebuilt. The completed work was in 1927 with a chapel of 27 meters. The current destroyed church was built in 1943 to avoid the invasion of the sea. Some sources say that the church has been deserted since 1996, but another source says that it was in 2005 that there was a destructive typhoon which swept away a fishing community and all the churches near the coast here. The only church that was left standing after the storm was the church ruins of Haili, the same ones that we see here. So these are the beaches they have. Not so beautiful. In the south they're a lot nicer. But that's a beach. And it's summer. So even though it was getting late, I still had a 60 kilometers drive inland to my wife's parents' village, where my wife and my daughter were staying for the holiday. To the river, have to take a ferry. So getting on a ferry. The sun is coming down, but it's beautiful. If you like this video and want to see more such videos, please give me a like and consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.